Hello everyone and welcome to this new lesson in Adobe Aero. So in this lesson we'll learn to use the Geospatial Creator. Okay, that's an API provided by Google. Okay, to help us render 3D or do a rendition of a 3D location or sorry, our space. Okay, or any environment. Okay, I think this feature is not available in all parts of the world, but just some few countries. So and then for this project to work, you need to test it. You need to be at the physical location of the place that you've used to do your geospatial creator projects. Okay. So this is something we'll be doing. So this Guggenheim Museum in Spain. So we wouldn't be using this one. We'll do that of Malawiki. So this the other side of it. Then this somewhere in Athens. Then let's see. Okay. So now let's look at Maliwaki Art Museum. So there's something that we want to do. Okay, this is what we want to do. So let's preview what we want to do. So you can see we can use animated GIF. Okay, you can also use this direct Mixamo character. Okay, then yeah, some GIFs, and then this one too is one of the objects from Mixamo. Sorry, from Adobe Aero. Then we can do some text and then some of these objects from Adobe Aero. So there's I can't get a Milwaukee Art Museum. We'll learn to do that okay today. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, I'll click on new file and then we want location anchor. So I'm going to click on location anchor. Let's give it a new title. Um, okay, so I'll give my project a title. Click on create. Okay, so now we need to type the location here in the so there's Google Earth. I think you can see the supporting technologies or the institution or whatever making this possible. So I'm going to type Mali Waki Waki. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah. And I hope we get it right. Okay. So depending on the speed of your internet, it will load quickly or slowly. So let's see what we have. Let's go back. So I'm going to pause it, wait for my internet to load. It's for me. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so I changed it to Milwaukee Art Museum. Okay, yeah. So that's what we have, and I'm going to zoom in. Okay, can move it here, and then I think I want this, so I'm going to center. Click here. Okay. You can always recenter it. So I'm going to click here, and then this is the view I want. So I'm going to select. Okay, and then wait for it to load everything into our working space or our canvas. So I'm going to pause it. Okay, so it's loading. Okay. Okay, so it's done rendering and then we can start doing our project. Okay. So now you can see Google's Geospatial Creator is the one powering this. Okay. So what we want to do is let's do something with the ocean. Oh, I didn't capture all the ocean. Okay, I didn't capture all, but let me redo that. So to redo, I'll have to click here, click on recenter, I can click on select. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's loaded the part that we want. So let's import our assets. Okay, so first what we need is we need this tenor.com. Okay, then just so we have our GIF file, so you can come here and then search for any GIF you want, and then click on let's see where is it, save as image. Okay, once you save it as an image, you can look for it and then import it into your project. So I'm going to import it into our project. So I'm going here. Okay, so these are the assets I want. So I just want this, and then I think this. So this I give. This was I give. We can work on this too, and we'll just import it into our projects. So where's arrow? Adobe arrow. Okay, so it's done, and then I'm going to use this box to scale it up. Okay, so yeah, and click and then try to reposition it wherever we want. And where's the box model? So the box model to can enlarge it. I usually like using the box model, like something I designed in Figma, just so I can place my objects, gives insight for them to look unique. Okay, so I've enlarged it, and I think I like it this way. Let's go, and then it appears behind it, so I'm going to position it somewhere this way. Because we are working in a 3D environment, what we have to do is we always have to move around the objects because just so we have everything right. So I'm going to hold shift and then click on this to bring them out. Then let's see what we have. Okay, so I think I need to work on this. I'll bring it up a bit, this image up a bit. Then I think this is quite okay. So I can multi-select by clicking on shift, or you can do the same here. Then let's rotate it this way. Then I'm going to bring it something like this, just so it appears as if um, it's about to fall on our users, but just to make the experience a nice one. Then we can leave this one to, okay, let's just work on it, bring it a bit. We can resize it something like this. Okay, yeah, resize it. So this is quite okay. Okay, so in the next lesson, we'll actually add some other assets and then do the animations. So thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.